Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and this struck me as an interesting question. Here is a triangular prism. The base is W, width, this is height, and this is length. And this thing has a volume of 163 centimeters cubed. And the question asked, what happens if we leave the width the same, we double the height, and we triple the length? And I thought about various ways in which a question like this could be answered. And this was a multi-choice question in an exam, so there's not a lot of time. And that bore upon my decision about how I'd do this. So what I did was I made a little drawing and I put some numbers in for the letters. And I wanted this thing to have a volume of 163 centimeters cubed. So what do I need to do? Well, if I make the length 10, then this face here must be 16 to get 160. So if I make this 4 and this 8, 8 fours are 32, divided by 2 gives me 16 times 10 is 160. So, what do I do next? Well, what I can do is I can redraw this and attempt to scale it. I'm going to leave the base the same. I'm going to double the height, and I'm going to triple the length. And this is what I get. 16 fours are 64. Half of that is 32. 32 times 30 is 960, which was one of the answers in the multi-choice list. But how do I know that I just haven't got lucky somehow? So I thought about some other ways in which I might do this, and I came across one other which I'll show you. Now this is wildly out of scale, so we'll make this what do we want? We'll say that that's 2 and that's 10. So that gives me 10 here, and we'll make this 16. So that's going to give me 160 cubic centimeters. There we are. Now, if I leave this alone, but if I double this to 20 and I triple this to 48, let's see what I get. So 20 times 2 is 40, divided by 2 gives me 20, and 20 times 48 is 960. I think that that's beyond coincidence. So what I'm going to do is say that this was my method for doing this when I was in a time constraint. I suspect that there's an algebraic method, which I'm not going to get into. This is an example of solution by experimentation, or, as some unkindly put it, hit and miss, or perhaps just an idea of how you might approach a problem. Anyway, the answer was 960, and you can see how I worked it out here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.